Let me show you 5 editing hacks that are game changers that can elevate your editing to the next level. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to edit like a pro. Let me blow your mind up, one hack at a time. Let's dive in. So I'll open up my CapCut and bring in a video to my timeline. So when I play this my video, there is no audio attached to it. So I actually want to convert text to audio. So all I need to do is tap on text. I scroll down my sub menu again, tap on text to audio. So this opens me up to where I can start typing. So I'll just click on it and start typing. Alright, so when I'm done typing, tap on done. Next, I'll select the voiceover. So you can select any character of your choice. I'll select Valentino.
Don't know what bar.
And that's the preview. So I'll click on next and tap on split automatically. So this starts processing and my text has been converted to speech. So as you can see, my text has been broken down into segments, right? So for me to stylize my text so that it can be more visible, I'll just double tap on any of the segments. I'll click on style. I'll select background, and you can select anyone, but I'll just select this one. So I'll scroll up and then select the background color. Okay, I like the black, so let me, and you tick OK.
I don't know what battles you fought. I don't know the nights you cried yourself to sleep. But I do know this. You're still here. And that means something. You've been through storms that tried to drown you. People may have left. Dreams may have broken. There may have been moments you looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the person, staring back. Moments where giving up felt easier than going on.
So I bring in this video to my timeline and I want to add text. So tap on text, tap on add text, and I'll type in my text. Okay, let me duplicate this text. So I highlight it, tap on duplicate, and let me move it aside, highlight it, double tap to edit. So I'll just type tutorial. Okay. Then I'll duplicate it again and then drag it out. So I'll double tap on it to edit. We'll add 2025. So let me drag it out this way. So I have these 3 text layers on my timeline. Now, normally if you want to delete, right, you just tap on one, tap on delete, tap on the second one, tap on delete. But that's a waste of time. Let me undo it. So for you to delete all of them at once, just select one, scroll down your timeline, select multi-select, and select the next one and the next one. You scroll down your timeline again, tap on delete, and you see everything is gone now. You could also save your adjustment preset so that it becomes a template. So I have this video on my timeline. I'll scroll down my menu, click on adjust. Then I'm going to adjust the various settings to my test. So you can play around with all this and see what it gives you. For my brightness, I'll give it a -5. For my contrast, I'll give it a +5. For my saturation, I'll give it a 10. For my brilliance, I'll give it a 5. For my sharpen, I'll give it a 30. For my highlight, I'll give it a -5. For my shadow, I'll give it a 5. So when I'm done, I'll click on video quality. I'll tap on image quality. Now I'll make sure that it's on Ultra HD. I'll click on presets, tap on save presets. Now my preset have been saved as preset 3. So if I bring in the original video that I did not color grade, instead of going all over again to do another setting, I'll just go to adjust, tap on presets, select preset 3 and click OK. So automatically the preset is applied to my video. And here is the before, after. So I have this video on my timeline, and if I play, discover that there's no text attached to this my video. I want to add text. So I'll tap on text, tap on add text. Alright then, add a font of your choice. Then I have to stylize this, so I'll click on style, click on stroke. So I'll select black as my stroke color, and I can increase the intensity a bit. I'll click OK. Then I can increase the size of my text by just pinching and zooming it out. Next, I will adjust the length of my text to match with the length of the video. Then I will select my video, scroll down my menu bar, tap on duplicate. I'll now select the video I just duplicated, scroll down my menu bar again, tap on overlay. That brings the video I just duplicated down. So I will hold down on the video and drag it to the beginning of the timeline so that it matches exactly with my primary video. Then I will select the video I just duplicated, that's my overlay, scroll down my menu bar again, tap on remove background to remove the background. So I've removed my background now. So I'll select the video I just removed the background, scroll down my menu bar, click on layer. As you can see, my text layer is in front and my overlay is behind. So I need to swap places. So I need to take my overlay to the front so that the text can go to the back. So I'll hold down to my overlay, drag it forward, and that automatically sends the text to the back. And here is the final result. So I have this video on my timeline and I'm going to split it. So I'll just tap on it to highlight and click tap on split. Then I'll split the second part. So I now have 3 parts. So I'll add a text, tap on add text, choice, fill in any text of your choice. Okay, so I'll select the style I want. So I'll pick the font, select any font of your choice, and then OK. Right, let me reposition this text. And let me drag it to the end of this clip. I want it to be, let me adjust it to be the same size with this clip. Okay, so I want to link this text to this video. I'll select my video, scroll down my menu bar, tap on link, and automatically my text has been linked to this video. Now, if I want to move this video to another point, the text has to follow it. So I'll hold down to this video and drag it to the next position. You see, it goes with the text. Right now, if I want to take it to the back, hold on to it and drag it to the back, the text goes with it because I've linked the text to the video. And even if I want to delete the video, the text will go along with the video. So if I tap on delete, you see both the text and the video is gone. Let me undo this. Right, so that's how to link a text to a video. So if I want to unlink it, it's the same thing. I'll just tap on the video, scroll down my menu bar, tap on unlink. So now the text has been unlinked from the video, and if I move the video, it goes alone without the text. You can see the video is here and the text is behind, right? And even if I delete the video, and even if I want to delete the video, I tap on delete, it doesn't affect the text. The text is alone while the video has been deleted. So that's how to link and unlink a text from a video. And that's it, guys. So I trust you learned something valuable from my tutorials today. Please kindly hit the subscribe button for more amazing tutorials, and kindly watch these videos for more tips and tricks in CapCut. Thanks for watching.